So welcome to today's class of mathematics. Today's question is taken from class 10th mathematics. So from statistics chapter, you all have to uh, complete this table and find a mean by direct method. Okay. So let me start solving this. First take down this question. Okay. The following table shows the daily wages of the workers in a factory. You all have to rewrite and complete the table by mean direct method. Your class interval, number of workers, frequency, class interval, wages is given. You'll have to find the class marks and Fi into Xi. You'll have to multiply, right? The total over here. Okay, so let me start. So take down this question first. Okay, the following table shows the daily wages of the workers in a factory. Rewrite and complete the table and find a mean by direct method. So wages in rupees, class interval is given 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Here number of workers, frequency, the total is 40 given. You'll have to find the class marks, that is Xi. So first thing what you will do, 20 plus 10 will be 30. 30 divided by 2, if you do, you will get 15 over here. Add these two numbers, what you will get? 25, yeah. Then 35, 45, 55 and 65. Okay, add this number divided by 2. Add this class interval divided by 2. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 divided by 2, you will get 45, right? Yeah. So let us multiply these two now and fill the this thing table. 5 multiplied by 15 will give you 75. 25 multiplied by 5 will give you 125. 35 multiplied by 8 will give you 280. 7 45s are 315. Then 275 and 650. And if you add the total, how much you will get is 1720. Okay. Now you'll have to find a mean by direct method. So you'll have to apply the formula for that. Okay. So write down mean is equal to mean x bar is equal to, write down summation of Fi into Xi, means sum it is, okay, upon sum of Fi. So this is equal to Fi into Xi will be 1720 upon Fi is 40. Cancel this 0 and 0. 2 2s are 4. 2. Otherwise 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. Carry 1. 4 4s are 16. I will get. So I will get 40. Sorry, 4 3s are 12 it is, right? 43 will be the answer. So what will be the answer? 43. So I can write down the final statement. Okay. What is the final statement? Therefore the mean is 43. So I hope you'll have understood how to do this, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with the friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. If you have any doubts, queries, comment below.